Mistake number one that I see all the time, thinking that you are the problem, that your body, the way you look, is the problem. Thinking that if your body is not as perfect as that fitness goddess or that young, slim, tall fashion influencer, no outfit will look good on you, so why even bother? But here's the truth. It's not you, it's what you wear and how you style it. The right clothes, styled the right way, make all the difference. So stop blaming yourself and let's focus on what really works. And that was mistake number one. It's not you, it's your style choices.
And when I'm out, I'm looking.
Hello beautiful people, a warm welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena and I'm a professional stylist with over 13 years of experience. Stick with me and I will show you how to take the same basics that you already have in your wardrobe and restyle them in a new, fresh, modern way. Easy, quick, no need to buy anything new. Now, mistake number two, sticking to one style zone while creating your outfits. Pairing pieces from the same style category like a silk blouse with a satin skirt might seem like a foolproof choice, but the result often looks a bit outdated. Instead, I'm creating modern style friction by pairing the same silk button-up with casual jeans. The key, the 50-50 rule, balancing classic and casual pieces. It means approximately half of my outfit consists of classic pieces and the other half of casual, trendy ones. Here my silk blouse and SLINGBACKS keep it polished, while jeans, modern suede handbag and a sweater add a relaxed contrast. Now, let's restyle the satin skirt using the same rule. Instead of another classic top, I'm pairing it with a denim top for a fresh, effortless mix. See how the blending styles makes the outfit feel instantly more modern. And one more mistake that I know that my talking head would forget to mention: don't be stuck with your original size. So what I mean here is that I normally wear size small, sometimes size medium, and my skirt is in size small. Okay, but my denim top is in size extra large. Yeah, you heard me right. This is an extra large.
Because my original size didn't look good on me, it didn't create that super cool contrast of fits, slim fit here, oversized fit here, so I decided to experiment and I went with an extra large.
These models always needing attention. Okay, thank you so much, Elena. And that brings us to the mistake number three, sticking to your original size only. This is something that seriously limits your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes. You might end up creating really cool and fresh and chic outfit. Now, mistake number four, neglecting your hairstyle and your makeup as part of your overall look. Even the most perfectly styled outfit can lose its impact if your hair and makeup doesn't support it. This doesn't mean a full glam look every day, just a few well-placed touches that make your face shine. The same goes for your hair. Find your signature style, one that flatters your face, suits your lifestyle, and is easy to refresh in the morning. Style is not just about your clothes, it's the full picture. Now, a gentle reminder, especially for those of you who are new to my channel, I have developed a very simple yet very quick and effective style quiz. Take this quiz, it will take just a few moments, answer a few questions, and you will get your personal wardrobe plan absolutely free right to your mailbox. This plan is designed to help you understand what you might be doing wrong while shopping or while creating your outfits and guide you towards better style decisions. You know where to find the link. Mistake number five, throwing on random comfy basics, hoping that the outfit will magically work just because everyone says a basic wardrobe is important. But here's the thing, basics alone don't create great outfits. Let me show you how to take these two simple wardrobe staples and instantly elevate them using the balance of proportions rule. A loose or baggy button, whatever the style, needs a more fitted top to create balance, and the other way around, a shapeless, oversized top like my loose fit sweater here looks instantly more polished when paired with a slick, flowy button like this satin skirt in the same color. Plus, a monochromatic look with mixed textures is always a foolproof way to elevate any outfit. And subtle details like white long sleeve worn under the main top to bring dimension and interest to the look. Mistake 6. Relying only on neutrals. Maybe this is the most common mistake. Throwing on random neutral basics, thinking it's a foolproof strategy, but basics alone won't always give you that polished and intentional look. Let's restyle this outfit. I'm pairing this deep blue sweater with the same skirt I wore several times here in this video because both pieces have rich, similar tones and share the same low level of lightness, which makes them feel cohesive. To break it up, I'm adding a pale blue scarf. It's basically the same color as my sweater, just in a lighter version, which keeps the look harmonious. And for my black pants, instead of adding another solid color, I'm choosing a neutral print, classic stripes. Here's the trick. If you are not ready to mix colors, a printed neutral piece like stripes, checks, or subtle patterns instantly adds dimension without stepping out of your comfort zone. Mistake number 7. Ignoring the power of accessories and layering. Well, I cannot tell you how many times I've heard this phrase from my clients. I love this dress, it looks amazing on me, but I have only worn it once. Remember, accessories and layering can completely transform an outfit. Let's take this dress I recently picked up from H&M. Great cut, cute print. I can instantly elevate it for a night out with my friends by opting for dressier accessories, or style it with sporty elements for running errands, or layer my old vest, my favorite shell necklace and ballet flats for a casual yet elevated look, and pair it with a sweatshirt and sneakers for one more comfy, casual yet chic styling. And there you have it, 4 different styles with one dress to expand the capacity of your wardrobe. So don't let your favorite pieces sit in the closet, accessorize, layer and restyle them. And that's it for today. 7 major wardrobe mistakes and how to fix them. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comment section which mistakes you've made the most. No judgment, we've all been there. Or maybe you have one that I didn't mention here. Let's share experience and learn from each other. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. And you are still here, it means you want to watch another video. My recommendation: 2025's most wanted colors, must-have colors 2025, classic color combos that actually work. Click, click, see you there.